Don't skip. This abundance Reiki healing is finding you for a reason. If you're feeling stressed, overthinking about money, anxious and worried all the time, this healing is for you. Now take a deep breath in, inhale through your nose, exhale. Once more inhale. While inhaling, feel that you're receiving peace from heaven. While exhaling, feel that you're releasing all the toxins, negativity, all the blockages from your entire being. Take one more deep breath in, exhale, relax. I am now going to send you abundance Reiki through these Pyrite crystals, releasing fear, clearing money blocks, activating confidence and financial flow in you. So please receive this healing with lots of respect and gratitude. Thank you. Now, all your 7 chakras are going to be cleansed. All the blockages are going to be cleansed from your 7 chakras so that energy will start flowing. All negative energies are cleansed. Now, energies of abundance Reiki is filling your entire being. And you're very happy, relaxed, and peaceful. All negative energies have been cleansed. You are completely safe now, prosperous now, happy now, abundant now. Your entire being is filled with golden light, and lots of opportunities are knocking at your door. Money comes to you now effortlessly. Lots of opportunities are coming to you easily. You are completely relaxed now, happy now. May the energies of abundance Reiki bless you with lots of happiness, prosperity, and spirituality. Thank you. This healing will continue working for you. Save this and listen daily for best results. Thank you.